Hey web designers, Swapmates, Anthony here, your web design expert and founder of Website Academy PH. If you are a designer, developer, or Figma obsessed, just like me, no? So see Figma, they just dropped some features during Config 2025. So if you are not aware, they have information here sa blog nila, no? That you can found on their Figma website. Ayan, so may mga just a preview. Yan. So, ito rin yung video. So, if you miss the opening keynote, no, so you can catch up on everything na in-announce nila dito. Just have to research it inside their website. Ayun. Anyways, so I'm going to walk you through in this video, no. So these are kumbaga mga seriously game-changing if you build websites, nagde-design ka ng interfaces, or you create branded content, especially for us freelancers and agencies. Let's start. Going to our Figma app. So I was inspired this morning when I had the chance to open my Figma since I have an existing client project for a digital marketing agency website. Ayan. So this pop up. Ayan. So again, I got inspired and I want to document this, share to you guys. No? Okay. So let's start with the first new feature, draw in Figma. This one, draw in Figma. Um, so now you can sketch directly inside Figma. No? So let's try this out with yung mga free form na mga brushes, pens, and even textured fills. So this is perfect for visual thinkers. And so you can try this out. Let's zoom this in. And so you can quickly sketch yung mga ideas, rough wireframes, or even yung mga detailed illustrations, all vector-based and editable. So for creatives like us who like to stay inside one tool, this is actually a dream. This is perfect. Okay? So it's part of the full seat. So if you are already there, give it a try. Okay? So next is open natin. Next is yung grid in Figma. So finally, they made this layout easier with Figma, no? So tingnan natin dito. Let's try this out. So this adds a powerful new auto layout nga called Grid. Ayan. So nandito lahat yung mga, actually nandito yung mga features, introductions, when, yung mga use case, how you can enable it. So this is something new. So like most likely after this, documenting this video, in my free time, I'm going to definitely explore this. Okay. So what I love siguro here is again so this is great for creating or designing yung mga bento style galleries, siguro mga dashboards or anything na modular. So siguro what I love here is that it scales beautifully and it translates to code more seamlessly. So basically, this is less manual work and kumbaga more time for strategy and client delivery. Okay? And let's go back. Next is yung ating Figma Buzz. Oh, so on-brand assets at scale. So this feature actually is I believe this for teams and brand creators, no, itong Figma Buzz. So just have to think of this like yung Canvas style asset generation. So let's try to get this started. Ayun. So you can publish you can now publish brand templates so your team or clients can easily create yung mga brand ng mga social posts, posters or ads without breaking the system. Ayan. So meron na siyang social here, ads, print. Oh, this is wow. This is wow actually. Business. Hindi ko pa siya totally na i-explore, okay? So I just did the research and definitely will explore this. Going back, number 4 is yung Figma sites natin. So, this one had me pausing for a second, no? So, Figma sites, parang bigla nagpa-pop sa akin si Framer, if you know that platform. So, based from here, so you can easily design, prototype, publish responsive websites. Yan, so available din siya sa full seat. So, again, you can now go from the design. Teka, let's try this out. Okay. So hindi siya available in a starter team. So I believe this will be available for a paid plan, no? But again, so you can now go from the design, prototype, responsive website again, all inside Figma. So parang ano to it's like they are taking Webflow and Framer head on. Ganun, nabanggit ko nga si Framer kanina. So if you do landing pages, mga client websites, product showcases, so mas simplify niya na yung stack. It's still full seat though, 'di ba kaya hindi natin na ano. So be sure to check your plan. Okay? Tapos lastly, we have yung Figma Make. Okay? Try nga learn more, okay? Um basically this is your AI design assistant. Parang sila ChatGPT yan, 'di ba? Si tawag dito Copilot ng Microsoft, 'di ba? Ayan. So basically this feature lets you prompt Figma to turn yung mga designs into real interactive prototypes. So just think that itong button, for example, make this button to animate on click or make this layout responsive. So this is going to save us hours of manual setup, especially if you are prototyping yung mga complex flows. So ito is alam ko powered siya by Claude and rolling out gradually with the usage limit. So that's the full list from the Config 2025. So from sketching to site building, medyo mabilis na nag-evolve si Figma and I'm all for it. So if you think that this video helped you, I would really appreciate if you can leave or like or drop your thoughts in the comment section. No? So I'll be testing this live eventually on my free time kasi may mga clients pa tapos may naasikaso pa ako sa community. So stay tuned for more practical demos. No? So be sure to like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. So catch you in the next video. Okay? Bye-bye.